Hi there. Let's talk about what is no-code and why you should get into the no-code right now. And let me explain in the beginning what is the no-code itself. So I love the no-code because I don't know how to code. I can use ChatGPT or Google Gemini to ask specific question. Hey, please give me this kind of code that can do this and that. Usually it's JavaScript or Python. And no-code helps you to build apps or websites without any code or with some small code snippet that you can actually ask ChatGPT or any other large language model. And let's talk about the biggest actually pros for the no code is the speed and the efficiency. No code's actually allowing you to rapidly prototype and quickly build some small app to see if it's working, if it's possible to create your idea and execute it and it is working. Because usually when we have ideas, we have some inputs like some data or some probably script backend, and we want to put everything together and see is it working. And with no code, you can do it literally in hours or even in minutes, depends on your idea. So here comes the no-code apps that helps you actually build it a lot of faster. It already is like templatized, so you just need to enter something, input somewhere something, expose something, and it's working. And this is the biggest actually thing that I like about it. And another thing is it's cool too is the ease of use. If you have some background, let's say in WordPress, creating some WordPress or just like basic understanding how the internet works or how works this and that app, no code will be for you, and you will be able to start using it really quickly and understanding really fast. I would say no code is similar to using iPhone. Like I haven't heard any human being who complains about UX of iPhone. Even older people who right now are in pension, like they are 60, 70 years of age, they learn it really quickly. You give them just iPhone and they know how to use it. So for you, if you're considering going in no code, it's very easy to go in, and I highly suggest. I don't suggest anybody to start to learn like code from the beginning and try to achieve some specific like milestone that I can code this on that. It's useless. Better start with no code, try to execute your small idea, because it's very easy to create the ideas and execute them and see if it's working. And if you need some code, ask ChatGPT. So I highly suggest not to go the road of learning Python from A to Z and then start creating some app. So in this no-code atmosphere, you don't need some specific degree to be able to create something. So better just start out by creating ideas and then see what you need to learn on top of that. And the last thing is what I want to cover is it's very cool for non-developers, it's like very good segue from that I said earlier that you don't need to learn anything. And yeah, that's also beneficial not just for you as a creator or as a wannabe startup owner or wannabe app owner or founder. It's also good for businesses because they can lower the cost of developers and also allowing teams like marketing, operations, sales create their own solutions. The thing is, nowadays, when somebody wants to, let's say, create some new marketing funnel or marketing system that everybody will gonna use in company, they go for developers, and developers says, yeah, we need 3 developers, 6 weeks of developing, testing, this and that, 3 months, and you have the product. And that's cost a lot. These are a lot of man hours, and also just like all the tools that they need to use and all the managing back and forth with you communicating with the marketing managers, with the team and so on. But actually nowadays, marketing team, one human being can create some kind of small app, some workflow, test it, execute it, and develop and push it and start to ask others in companies to use it. And just for I am using N8N, and in some other videos that you can see around here somewhere, to click it and watch the other videos, I'm highly using N8N. I am not big fan of Make.com, Zapier. N8N is the best because it's much more powerful, easy to use. You can self-host, you can test a lot of things there, and the user experience is much better than Make.com. You can check out down below also the link of N8N. It's affiliated link. Feel free to support this channel by clicking there. and see you on other side in N8N in some other tutorials. Have a nice one.